Assalamu Alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to H Marketing, your trusted channel for the best Amazon finds, where style meets value. Today we have something elegant, timeless, and simply stunning, especially if you're looking to elevate your wrist game or searching for the perfect gift. So stay with me till the end, because this watch set might be the sparkle your style needs. Sparkles. Speech balloon, let me ask you something. Are you looking for a stylish yet classy gift for a special lady? Or maybe even for yourself? Tired of boring watches and want something feminine, elegant, and designed to impress? Well, today's Amazon find is for you. Let's talk about the Klein Women's Premium Crystal Accented Bangle Watch Set. Model AK/2245, a complete set that offers style, elegance, and unmatched charm. Gemstone, what's in the box? This premium three-piece set includes a beautiful bangle-style gold-tone watch with a mother-of-pearl dial and 14 premium crystals around the lugs, a stylish X-shaped bangle with adjustable end links, a sleek crystal-accented bangle bracelet to complete the look. Package, it comes in a gorgeous gift box, ready to impress anyone at first glance. Stopwatch, the watch. Elegant gold-tone hands. Crystal markers that shine beautifully in light. A slightly domed mineral lens adds that touch of sophistication. Dress style meets comfort. The bangles are light, comfortable, and the jewelry class with extender makes sure it fits most wrist sizes easily. Droplet note. It's not water-resistant, so it's best worn as an accessory, not for swimming. Sparkling heart, why do people love it? YW checkmark 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 700 plus buyers. YW checkmark ideal for gifting, anniversaries, birthdays, or even a treat for yourself. YW checkmark combines style plus affordability. YW checkmark currently on Amazon for just $69.99, down from the regular $98.97. It's a luxury look without the luxury price tag. A perfect balance of elegance, fashion, and value. This set is perfect for heart with ribbon fashion-forward women, wrapped gift husbands, brothers, or sons looking for a classy gift, briefcase working professionals who want elegance in their everyday wear, cherry blossom, anyone who appreciates subtle sparkle and high-end design. It's not just a watch, it's a complete fashion statement on your wrist. Shopping bag, so ready to upgrade your wrist game? Click the link below in the description and get your Klein Bangle watch set from Amazon before this offer ends. It's stylish, it's stunning, and it's selling fast, so don't miss out. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with friends or someone who would love this set, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss a fabulous Amazon find from us. Thanks for watching, take care. Assalamu Alaikum, and stay elegant. Dizzy.